In the palm of your hands lies a world of information and connectivity. Welcome to the age of handheld systems. These are the small, portable computing devices that have become an integral part of our lives. They come equipped with their own operating systems, and they fit snugly into our pockets or bags. These are not just gadgets, they are powerful tools that have reshaped our world. Handheld systems include an array of devices like smartphones, tablets, handheld gaming consoles, and various other portable electronic devices. Each of these devices, with its unique operating system, has been designed to be lightweight, efficient, and optimized for specific hardware and input methods. Take a moment to consider the role of these handheld systems in our daily lives. They have revolutionized communication, turning the world into a global village. No longer do we need to wait for letters or even emails. A simple text, an instant message, a video call, and we're connected, irrespective of geographical boundaries. But it doesn't stop there. Handheld systems have transformed entertainment. We have access to movies, music, games, and so much more, all at our fingertips. Traveling on a crowded train or waiting at the doctor's office is no longer a test of patience. It's an opportunity to catch up on our favorite show, listen to a new album, or challenge ourselves with a brain-teasing game. Work has been redefined by these devices too. We can send emails, collaborate on projects, hold virtual meetings, and even run complex applications. The office is no longer a physical space. It's wherever we choose to be. The influence of handheld systems extends to other aspects of our lives as well. They help us navigate unfamiliar cities, keep track of our health, manage our finances, and even control our home appliances. Truly, they are the personal assistants we never knew we needed. As we delve deeper into the digital age, the importance of these handheld systems continues to grow. They are no longer a luxury, they are a necessity. They are not just systems, they are the lifelines that connect us to the digital world. Like every technology, handheld systems have evolved remarkably over time. Our journey begins in the early 90s with personal digital assistants, or PDAs, which were the forefathers of our modern handheld devices. Companies like Palm and Cyan pioneered this space, offering devices that could manage your calendar, notes, and even handle a bit of light emailing. At the dawn of the new millennium, we saw the birth of a revolutionary device, the smartphone. The BlackBerry, with its iconic QWERTY keyboard, was a game-changer, integrating phone functionality with the organizational benefits of a PDA. A few years later, in 2007, Apple introduced the iPhone, a device that would redefine what a smartphone could be. With its touchscreen interface and the introduction of the App Store, the iPhone kick-started a new era of handheld devices. Android, developed by Google, followed suit in 2008, offering an open-source platform that allowed manufacturers to create their own unique devices. This sparked a wave of innovation and competition, leading to a wide variety of Android smartphones and tablets. Fast forward to today, and handheld systems have become an integral part of our daily lives. They're not just about communication anymore. They're our personal assistants, our entertainment centers, our libraries, our classrooms, and so much more. But it's not just the hardware that has evolved. The operating systems that power these devices have also seen significant advancements. They've become more intuitive, more secure, and more integrated with the other devices and services we use every day. And the evolution doesn't stop here. With emerging technologies like foldable screens, augmented reality, and 5G, the future of handheld systems promises to be even more exciting. This evolution has not only transformed the devices themselves, but also the way we live and interact with the world around us. What makes these handheld systems tick? At the heart of it all lies the operating system. Just as the heart pumps life-giving blood throughout the body, the operating system, or OS, circulates vital instructions throughout a handheld device, enabling it to function. But what exactly is an operating system in the context of handheld devices? Simply put, it's a software that manages the hardware and software resources of the device. It's the intermediary between the user's inputs and the device's responses, controlling everything from launching apps to managing battery life. Now, the operating systems used in handheld systems aren't your regular computer OS. They're designed to be lightweight and efficient, optimized for the device's specific hardware and input methods. Think about it. Your handheld device, whether it's a smartphone or a gaming console, doesn't have the same processing power or memory as your laptop or desktop. So the OS needs to be slimmed down, focusing on essentials and cutting out the excess. But even within these constraints, these tiny powerhouses are capable of doing so much. They manage multitasking, allowing you to switch between apps smoothly. They optimize power usage, making sure you get the most out of your battery. They handle connectivity, ensuring you can browse the web, stream videos, and stay connected with the world. Operating systems for handheld devices also need to be user-friendly, offering intuitive interfaces that can be navigated easily with just a touch or swipe. After all, who wants to wrestle with a complicated OS when you're on the move? And it's not just about the user. Developers too have a stake in the OS. A flexible and open OS like Android allows developers to create a wide range of apps, expanding the device's functionality. On the other hand, a closed and controlled OS like iOS ensures a uniform and high-quality user experience. So whether it's Android's openness and flexibility, iOS's security and seamless integration, or the customization options of Linux-based systems, each operating system brings something unique to the table, catering to different user needs and preferences. The operating system is the lifeblood of a handheld device, enabling it to function and perform a multitude of tasks. In the world of handheld systems, a few names stand out. Android, iOS, and others dominate the landscape. Let's start with Android, the brainchild of Google. This open-source operating system, based on the Linux kernel, has made its mark in smartphones and tablets across the globe. What makes Android unique? Its versatility and customizability. With Android, you have the power to tailor your device to your liking, from the layout of your home screen to the very core of the system. Then we have iOS, the exclusive resident of Apple's iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. iOS is renowned for its simplicity and elegance. It's user-friendly, secure, and wonderfully intuitive. Not to mention, it integrates seamlessly with other Apple products and services, creating a harmonious ecosystem that Apple users love. But let's not forget about Windows Phone, or rather, Windows 10 Mobile, Microsoft's contribution to the handheld world. Despite a decline in its market share, it still holds its own. It's particularly popular amongst businesses for its compatibility with Windows desktop systems. Its user interface, characterized by the unique live tiles, offers a refreshing departure from the grid of icons found in most other systems. Now, onto the Linux-based operating systems. Ubuntu Touch, Sailfish OS, and others serve as a haven for developers and users desiring customization and flexibility. These systems offer a blend of performance and personalization, allowing users to modify and tweak to their heart's content. Lastly, we have the custom operating systems, those tailored by manufacturers or third-party developers to fit the specific needs and requirements of a device. These are often found in specialized devices, like handheld gaming consoles, where a standard OS just won't cut it. Each of these operating systems brings something unique to the table, offering a range of options for users and developers alike. So whether you're a fan of Android's versatility, iOS's simplicity, Windows Phone's uniqueness, Linux's flexibility, or the specificity of custom systems, there's a handheld OS out there for you. Handheld systems have come a long way, and they show no signs of slowing down. In just a few short decades, we've seen them transform from simple single-purpose devices into multifaceted tools, capable of a vast array of functions. From smartphones to tablets, handheld gaming consoles to other portable electronic devices, these little marvels have become an integral part of our lives. We've explored the heart of these devices, the operating systems, that are designed to be lightweight, efficient, and optimized for the specific hardware and input methods of the device. We delved into the big players in the industry: Google's Android, Apple's iOS, Microsoft's Windows, and even some Linux-based and custom operating systems. Each of these offers unique features and capabilities, catering to a diverse range of user preferences and needs. But the story of handheld systems doesn't end here. The future holds even more promise, with advancements in technology pushing the boundaries of what these devices can do. We're already seeing the emergence of augmented reality and virtual reality capabilities in handheld devices, opening up new ways for us to interact with the digital world. We're also seeing the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning being integrated into these systems, making them smarter and more intuitive. The potential impact of these developments on our lives is immense. Imagine a world where your handheld device isn't just a tool, but an extension of yourself. understanding your needs, predicting your actions, and enhancing your interactions with the world around you. A world where the boundary between the physical and digital realms is blurred, with handheld systems serving as the bridge that connects the two. As we continue to explore the possibilities of these handheld systems, one thing is clear: they are here to stay, and they will continue to shape our digital world. Whether it's for work, play, communication, or creativity, these devices have carved out a space in our daily lives that is hard to imagine being filled by anything else. So here's to the handheld saga. Long may it continue to evolve and surprise us with its endless possibilities.